the weather, and Chief Meteorologist Margaret Orr is tracking the tropics tonight as she continues to watch two things, one of which is something for us to keep an eye on.
That's true, but now we have the fifth tropical storm of the season. Its name is Edouard. We told you that this was possible for today. In fact, here is a look at Edouard. It's way out in the Atlantic. It's moving to the west-northwest, 13 miles per hour. Max winds 40 miles per hour, and the truth is this is going to be a fish storm, meaning it's going to stay out to sea, but it could actually become a hurricane in a couple of days. Here's the system we're watching, and it's a weak area of low pressure. I put the radar in there so that you can see the rain that's firing up, and right along the coast, right there by West Palm Beach, that's where you've got some pretty heavy rain now. We can zoom in. Fort Pierce, you've got that heavy rain as well. So the center of this system is going to be moving on shore. Right now it's over warm water, but when it moves over South Florida, it loses its source of energy, which is the warm water. The one exception, we've got Lake Okeechobee there, which is very warm. Water temperatures there mid-80s, so that may help to feed it. The forecast development area is in the Gulf of Mexico, and that's why we're really watching this system. Right now, it's got a whole lot of issues. Look at how the clouds are flowing from the north to the south. Those are very strong winds aloft, not conducive to tropical development. As you look at the Gulf, there is a lot of the strong wind aloft as well, not conducive to development. And yet, we can look at the forecast model. This is the GFS. It's the Good American model, and it's a little bit more bullish, moving it into the Gulf of Mexico. That's by late Friday night. And then south of the coast of Louisiana, and a little bit better organized. This is just one model, and then it takes it over towards Houston. We'll be here. We'll keep you posted on this system, but at this point, 40% chance for tropical development in 3 to 5 days.